Enjay's Play Space. Welcome to the Marble Genius Glow-in-the-Dark Marble Run Part 2! Alright, but this time we're going to use my regular marble run, my regular links, and glow-in-the-dark together! Alright guys, so from my old video 1 year ago in my first marble run, this was the base that we had. And today, for this Marble Genius time, it says Marble Genius here and it's black because this is glow in the dark. And as you can see, we got all the links, my links from last year, and these new links for glow in the dark, all over here. So you see, there's a lot of stuff here, and I'm going to teach you. So this one you're supposed to build in a regular marble run, but be careful because if you set a trap for them, they get trapped. That's the problem. So we have all different spinners. We have a long one here. We have this one, a pink one for my regular marble run, and a glow-in-the-dark one. Alright, so I have all links, I have all bases, all spinners right here. And there's an elevator. My dad already built it, but this time I'm gonna do it my way. This will be fun. You also have this thing. It goes down. My dad built it, and I'll show you how to do it later. The next part is the funnel that I have from the regular marble run and a glow-in-the-dark kind. Woohoo! And from my regular marble run, we have this old book for some rules. And for my Marble Genius kind, we have this, which is much cooler. Alright, so my dad built this chain here, and I'm gonna build it too. The next part we have, I combined these together, and this is a lights and sounds thing, and we have the spinner, and at the bottom we have a big cog wheel right here. Guys, I forgot to mention, I got this thing. You put it inside a link, and then you can turn it on or off. Now, of course, I forgot, we have a blue LED light from my old marble run, and we have an even brighter one, which is purple. So it works how you just use it on a marble, and then that marble has a few greenness. Watch this, guys. Take a look. Woo-hoo, look at that. From my old marble run, we have this golden yellow funnel. And on the other hand, on the glow-in-the-dark side, we have a white one here. Now, let's get building now! So I just got this piece on. Do you like my necklace or do you like my mane? Now, let's get building. Alright, so I just connected this together with a link here. And I'm going to add 12 links to here going up. Bam. 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. got it. We're going to do this one first. But remember, you need support. So I'm going to use one of my archers. Whoa! These links are a little janky. Let's keep going. We're getting close, actually. Thanks for getting me to 1.2 thousand likes. I didn't think in many years we would even get to this. But you guys are awesome. It's all because of you. Oh my goodness, I think it's starting to get bendy. Oh no. We still need support. I can't just let it fall. Let's put some charcoal or gray. Whoa. No, this is absolute charcoal. Black. We're so close. We got this, Enjay crew. Yes, with the power of clear, we did it. Next. Oh, I got an idea. Let's see this one. Oh, great. More support. Are you serious? Oh, what's this? Look, guys. Now I only need 2. There we go. Oh, don't want to boast. Don't want to speak too soon. Yes! And it worked. Looks like I'll have to stand up. This is starting to get tall. I use literally every last piece right over here. Alternating Ys and all. Even this thing that shoots. Now, let's start playing. I turned my elevator on. Now let's play. Let's turn this on too for lights and sounds. Let's use this. I also use them over here. Now this is the biggest marble run I've ever seen. There we go. Bam. Let's put it down the water slide. Now swing along. Then go. And don't use this. This is a depth area. Let's try this. Oh man. So we should not have used this. Swing along. Yeehaw! Why not, man? Come on, marbles. Let's use the alternating Y. They're really, really good. I can't turn on the lights and sound thing for some reason, but I guess I'll just leave it alone. Maybe it's, I think it's broken. Swing along, marbles. Here goes. Go, marbles, go! Look at them. Oh, looks like our elevator friend wants something. Oh, they're running. Let's use this. Whoa! Look at them! Whoa, I didn't use a piece. There's the water slide. Swing along. Oh, marbles go. Yeehaw. Guys, I forgot to light things up. Let's turn this. Let's light all the marbles. Light up, marbles. Your time has arrived. Let's light them up right here, even here, and let's go. In the nighttime, you can see it better. Oh, wrong side. So this was fun, but I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please click a like and please subscribe. I'm gonna continue having fun and break it down and bake and make a new one. Bye. Go Marvel.